Recently, actress and producer Sandra Thomas shared a post on Facebook that got a lot of attention. The controversy started when Dileep, the accused in the actress assault case, appeared with his family in a cover for a leading Malayalam magazine. Sandra posted about Mahalakshmi, the daughter of Dileep and Kavya Madhavan. However, the post was widely criticized by people online. Most of the comments came in the form of Sandra standing with the accused actor and not with the survivor actress. But now, Sandra has come up with a note that clarifies her part on the subject. She in the post said that, being a mother of 2 daughters, she could never stand with the accused in any case and she will always stand with the survivor actress. Responding to criticism, the producer turned actress has said that the question of if I'm standing with the accused actor or the victim itself is irrelevant. I will always stand with the survivor actress. If my last day's post made at least a few of you think that way, I shared that post only because the case involves a kid who is a minor and is forced to go through such an ordeal. That post was not meant to whitewash or justify anyone. As a mother of 2 girls, how can I support an accused? The first few comments were distorted by what I meant. The rest followed. It was impossible for me to reply to all the comments. By then, the purpose of the post had been taken in a different direction. I know people who know me may not believe any of this, but it seemed like a clarification was much needed. The victim, an actress who has worked in Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam films, was abducted and allegedly molested inside her car for 2 hours by some of the accused who had forced their way into the vehicle on the night of February 17, 2017 and later escaped in a busy area. The entire act was filmed by some of the accused to blackmail the actress. There are 10 accused in the case and initially, police arrested 7 people. Dileep was arrested subsequently and let out on bail later. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.